Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use save option in Excel. In this series I will explain every option in Excel step by step. This series is for the beginners, so you can learn each feature of Excel one by one. In this video I'm going to show you 8 different points related to save option in Excel. So let's start. Let's start the first video of Mastering Excel Options series. I'm so excited to teach you in detail every options of Excel. So let's start the first, the save a new file. If you want to save a new file, there are different ways to do it. The first, I have opened here the new file and Excel shows the names like the book 1, book 2, book 3 of new files. To save this file, just go to the File tab and click on the Save As, then select this PC, the locations, and here the Save As dialog box is open. You can select here the location where you want to save. If you want to save on desktop, you just select the desktop. If you want to save in Downloads folder, you can save in Downloads folder. Okay, after that, just edit the file name. If you want to change the file name, you just double click on here and you can edit it easily. So I just edit here the data 123. Okay, I just enter here roughly and click on the save. Okay, so this is the first way. And the second way, I just open the new file again. Same as you can see the book 18. To save this file, you can use the shortcut key Control S. When you press the Control S, the one dialog box is open, save this file. The file name, you can just edit the file name. If you want to edit, you can. So I just edit the data 111. Okay, and choose a location. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the location where you want to save this file. And if you want to save in document, just select the documents folder. If you want to save in desktop, just select the desktop and click on the save, and that saves. So this is a way you can save your new file. The second, save existing file. So this is the existing file and here I'm going to save this file. Just go to the File tab and click on the Save. That's it, your file is saved. And the shortcut key, you can use the Control S after the entering your data. The file will save. That's it. The third, Quick Access Save button. So the Quick Access toolbar above the ribbon of this Excel. So you can see this is a quick access toolbar and here's some option of the quick access toolbar available. And this is a save option. Just click on it and save your file. When you enter something, the data in Excel, just click on this icon and your data will save. That's it. So next point is the save versus save as. So what is the difference between the save and save as? The save used for the existing file save. If you want to save the existing file, just go to the File tab and click on the Save option. And if you want to save the new file, just go to the File tab and click on the Save As and then select the location where you want to save. So that's it. Next point, the file number, where is your file saved? If you want to know where is your file saved, if you don't know this Excel file where is saved, you can check it quickly. Just go to the File tab and click on the Info, and in Info you can see the Open File Location option. Just click on it and your file location is open quickly. So this file is saved is here in this location, in this PC, in Documents folder. Okay, that's it. Next point is 6. Auto recovery settings. If your computer shut down suddenly, the auto recovery helps to recover unsaved data. So let's start how it's done. Go to the File tab, then click on the Move, then click on the Options, and here the Excel Options dialog box is open. Then click on the Save, and in Save Workbooks have a option Save Auto Recovery Information every minutes. You can just click on the drop down arrow and you can adjust the minutes accordingly. After that, just click on the save And that's it. Your auto recovery settings is done. Okay, that's it. Next point is 7. Save with the location path. If you want to save one Excel file and if you have a location path, you can save it quickly. Just click on the File tab and click on the Save As. Click on the This PC. And here I have a location path where I want to save this file. So I have here Notepad 1. In this Notepad, I just enter here the location path. So just copy this location path. So I just select the full location here and Control C to copy this. Okay. Then here you can see this PC documents. This is the location. Just click on here and paste here this location and just press the enter key. Your location is open. Okay. Then you can save your file. Okay. And the second way, again go to the file tab, click on the save as, click on the this PC, and you can enter this location in file name also. I just enter here the file name area. Just I enter here the location and press the enter key. When you press the enter key, the location is open and here you can see the file name is showing. Okay, now you can edit your file name and save your file easily. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. So last point 8, tips to save. So tips to avoid losing work. Use autosave if working in the OneDrive or SharePoint, it save automatically. Press the Control as frequently while working to save your the progress manually. Enable the auto recovery in case Excel crash. Go to the file, option save and ensure the auto recovery information every 10 minutes is enabled. So that's it. So hope you understood the entire video. Please comment and let me know which point was most helpful to you as a beginner. If I missed anything, kindly give your feedback so I can improve in the next videos. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.